Hello friends, welcome back. TestCase Studio Free versus Pro version. In this tutorial, we will learn all the features of Free versus Pro. So let's see what is the major difference between Free and Pro and how this Pro version can help you guys a lot to improve your productivity at least by 2 to 3 times. So yeah, let's get started. So here under Pro plans, I have added the quick comparison and detailed comparison in fact between free version and pro version. So just go here, and here you can see that which all features are there in the free version and then what all extra feature are there in the pro version. So let's see free one, and don't get confused with the premium and business. So all the features are there in this for individuals and for team, just that like for teams it is uh, better billing. Not everyone from your team have to pay individually, and not everyone will have to take the subscription. So that is the only difference. Rest all the features are there in the both. So let's first see what all features are there in free version. So you see that the first one is record every action and write in English sentence. So basically the free version, if you click here and see whatever actions we perform, so it used to record here in plain English sentences, like steps, which is basically we call like manual steps or English steps. So let me just zoom in. So this is these steps are being recorded here in plain English sentences. It captures the screenshot, so you can see the screenshots are there. Generate XPath and CSS selectors, record the input data with corresponding steps. So if we have entered some value here, let's say if we entered ABC here, uh, yep, so let me just enter something. So it will record that value as well in the test case studio. So you see that the value is being recorded here. Record the input data. Free feature to add steps and delete a step. Options to pause the screenshot recording, like if you don't want to record the screenshot, you can pause this, you can turn off. Option to add expected result. So you see that expected result column is coming as blank. Of course, like expected result is always coming blank because everybody used to have a different kind of expectation. So for that reason we have the expected result blank here, because you might be verifying the title, I might want to verify the some text or some element. So that is the reason expected result is blank. You can always fill it. Attribute filter is there. You can generate XPath or CSS selector with your own choice attribute here. Feature to generate selectors with driver command, like XPath and CSS selector is there, but if you want to generate with driver command, you can turn it on and it will generate with the driver command. Feature to copy only steps and data, like each column has copy button. So if you want to copy any of the column values, you can copy directly. Feature to pause, you can pause the recording as well anytime. Options to delete all the recorded data, and feature to customize the UI, like if you want to remove any of the column from here. So these are amazing features are there in the free version, which are helping 10,000 more than 10,000 people out there, and this is really amazing, saving a lot of time for the people. Now let's talk about what's there in the pro version which can help you guys further to improve, to increase multifold your productivity. So everything what we have seen in the free version, that is there in the pro version. Absolutely new and premium UI. So let me just click here, and this is the pro version here. Okay, so I just installed it for you guys. To let me just log in. It will just ask very first time to log in, otherwise next time onwards it will not ask you guys to log in here. So you can see that, if let me just click some of these steps here and get it recorded. So you see that steps, XPath, CSS selectors, screenshot, All those features options are there which are there in the free version. Now let's see what is extra here. So screen and video recording. So you see that here in TestCase Studio, this is one of the major highlight. You can record the screen as well, not just the only screenshot. So click here and now you can select the entire screen or any particular window, desktop as well, or you can select the Chrome tab. So let's say we want to select the entire screen, so you can select this and start recording. Now it is recording the screen as well, and whenever you want to stop, you can just simply click on stop and pause, and you can watch as well. URL for each step. It used to generate URL for each step, which is very helpful feature in the pro version, because it is helpful, like very helpful to jump on directly on that step. Like directly we want to jump onto this step, third step. So in that case you can directly open this URL and you can perform the action, or you can find the bug or anything whichever related to that step is. Network logs, you get the network logs as well, because whenever we file the bug or something we found, we always want to see what was the logs at that time. So you simply open this and you would be able to see it. You can also download these network logs, so whichever is for whichever steps you want, that you can see it here. Then there will be no ads. In the pro version you will not see any ads here, while in the free version there are ads, so that also you get rid of. There is no steps limit. Like in the free version, after 50 steps you will see a pop-up of limit that 50 steps are recorded there, but in the pro version that you will not get here. There is no steps limit, no performance issue. In the free version you will get a little performance issue when you record more than 50 steps. No size issue due to more screenshot, while in the free version, yes, there is a limit. Feature to generate XPath and selectors with and without attribute. In the free version you have only four options to generate, like ID, few options only, but here in the pro version you have with attribute and without attribute option. So you can pass the attribute value as well to generate XPath with any particular attribute or without any particular attribute. Then feature to use variable in place of user data. So sometimes what happens that we don't want to record the user data like what we are entering here. So in that case you can set the variable name as well here in the selector TestCase Studio Pro. Like you see that here, you can pass the input data variable. Like suppose you don't want to you don't want to record the value whatever you are using while entering in some field. That could be sensitive data which you don't want to record and save in the test cases. So in that case, let's say you want to save some variable, like let's say for an example you want to pass this as a variable demo whenever you enter some value somewhere. Like suppose now here we enter some value like test case studio and hit enter. So now you will see that here it is recording as enter demo into this search field. So this is very helpful that it is not recording the data. So in this is very helpful feature. Whenever you don't want to record some data, you can just use this here. Whatever variable you will pass here, that it will record as a variable, or if you don't want, you just remove this, and now if you will perform some action, you enter some value, that it will record as a value here in this. Feature to disable the special actions from is recording. Like you see there right now it is recording scroll down, but that is not really required. So in that case you can turn off this, like scroll event. You can turn off shift key recording, arrow keys recording, because those are like very uh I mean it's very granular level steps. Nobody wants to record them. So yeah, because while filing the bug we don't write these kind of steps, that is scroll down or scroll up or we pressed arrow key and all. Copy all recorded data in single click. Here this is amazing feature that you have an copy test case, the complete test case you can copy test. Click on this copy button and the complete data is copied and you can paste it wherever you want, while in free version you have to click one by one. Feature to download last test case. So this is another great feature here in TestCase Studio Pro, because many times in free version it happen we close by mistake, or we close by mistake our Chrome browser, and then whatever we have recorded we lose that data. So in the pro version you will not lose. Even if you close that, you would be able to record the last test case from here. Like suppose you have closed this, and now if you open, you will be like, oh my god, I have lost all my like work whatever we have recorded. But don't worry, in the pro version you have this option, you click on this last test case and it will be recorded here. Feature to download all the logs. You can download all the logs, like here whatever like say whatever steps you have recorded, for that you will be having the data. So that like in place of downloading one by one, you can download all the logs in one shot. Feature undo feature is there, like if you delete any step or add any step by mistake, so that you can undo from here. Like suppose we deleted this step but we realize that we have deleted wrong step, in that case you undo this. Cool. Download only screenshot feature is there. Like in free version you have to record test case and screenshot both, but here you have this option that you can download the test case separately and screenshot separately whenever is required. More command options are there for Selenium, Cypress, Playwright. So here in pro version, like you see that command option is there. Here from the drop down you can select any of the command which you want. There are more options, you need not to type. Dark theme is there. This is another great thing. I really love this. So here you see that light mode. If you want to use this in dark theme, you can use it in dark theme. And under profile you can always find your plans and everything. So this is another great feature, that you can always see which plan you have taken, what is the next date, and all those details. And in fact you want to upgrade or cancel, that everything you can do it from your end. You need not to ever contact us for any such kind of things. Yeah, so that is the all features of TestCase Studio Pro version, and we used to keep adding more and more features in the Pro version. So uh, that all the updates and everything you will keep getting. Better support is there. You will get the tutorial for with each and every feature, so that you need not to worry. You can always raise issue if you feel face any issue. You can reach out to us from this help button, and here always you find the version and other stuff. So yeah, that's the quick and detailed, in fact you can say the detailed comparison between free version and pro version. Hope you liked it, and this will help you guys a lot to help you, and will request you guys that please take a free trial, and this will help a lot. Don't take free trial from don't take the paid version from your pocket. Ask your company to take the pro version. For a company it is just nothing. It's just a coffee cost, not even a coffee cost, $2.5 per month, almost free. We have to run this product we pro version, so that like we can provide more free products. Like recently we just launched testing daily, another free community product. TestCase Hub is there, another free product. SelectorsHub, TestCase Studio free versions, and lot more community events and everything too. So to keep running these free products, free innovation, and adding more and more innovative products, we have to run these pro versions as well. So request all of you that please take the pro version. Ask your company to take the pro versions plan. They are almost free. For a company it is just nothing, not even a team lunch cost per year. So please do take this, it will help a lot. And do let us know which version you are using, free or pro, in the comment section, and which feature you like most in TestCase Studio free version and the pro version. With that, thank you so much. Please like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to get all the latest innovation updates from SelectorsHub. Thank you.